Your money will multiply before the end of this week. The universe will align in your favor, bringing abundant wealth and opening doors that no one can shut. Every financial struggle will turn into an overflow, and every delay will transform into rapid progress. Unstoppable prosperity and success beyond expectation will find you if you embrace this energy. Receive it with gratitude. I send you positive energy today. This week you will receive unexpected financial blessings from multiple sources. Prosperity will locate you, and abundance will flow effortlessly into your life. Financial doors that once seemed shut will swing wide open, welcoming new opportunities. You are stepping into a season of increase where every financial burden will be lifted and every struggle will fade away. I affirm that your hands are blessed to receive wealth. Everything you touch will prosper, and money will flow to you naturally. You will never lack, for the universe is guiding financial opportunities toward you. Abundance, not scarcity, will shape your path, and financial dryness will no longer be part of your story. Your finances are shifting to a new dimension. Every setback is being replaced with progress, and every delay is turning into acceleration. This week, people will bless you unexpectedly. Business deals, promotions, and supportive connections will come your way. Money will arrive in ways you never imagined, and soon you will have a testimony of remarkable financial transformation. Any debt weighing you down is being lifted by the forces of the universe. Financial helpers will rise to support you effortlessly. You will not beg. You will not borrow in distress. Instead, you will be a giver, a source of financial support to others. Wealth will circulate through your hands, and prosperity will follow you wherever you go. I declare that supernatural favor is upon your finances. Wherever your name is mentioned, financial breakthroughs will follow. You will receive good news about money, and your pockets will never run dry. Your bank accounts will overflow with abundance. The energy of wealth is surrounding you, and financial success will be your new reality. This week, money will multiply in your hands. Your finances will grow beyond expectation. Every payment due to you will be released. Any delayed salary, contract, or benefit will come in full. The days of struggling to meet your needs are over. The universe will provide beyond your expectations. I send abundance into your household. Your family will not experience financial hardship, and your loved ones will enjoy security and prosperity. The flow of wealth is now in motion, and nothing can stop the blessings coming your way. Receive this energy, step into your financial breakthrough, and welcome the prosperity that is meant for you. Financial security and abundance are yours from this moment forward. Every generational cycle of financial struggle is broken. Your lineage is stepping into a new era of wealth and prosperity. You will build a strong foundation and leave an inheritance for generations to come. The energy of abundance is flowing through your life, bringing stability, success, and limitless opportunities. The right connections will find you. The universe is aligning you with the right people, mentors, partners, and supporters who will elevate your financial journey. Every business idea you have will gain strong backing, and your investments will yield great profits. Your career will advance effortlessly, placing you in positions of wealth and influence. You are entering a time of financial rest, where stability and success become your reality. No more losses, no more financial disappointments. Everything you have lost in the past will return to you multiplied. Every wasted resource will be restored. Any missed opportunity will come back in an even greater form. The days of financial struggle are over. You have stepped into a season of overflow, where prosperity flows to you effortlessly. The energy of wealth is seeking you out from all directions. Money will locate you from the north, south, east, and west. Opportunities, clients, contracts, and financial rewards will come easily. You will no longer work in vain. Your efforts will be crowned with great success. Any force that has been holding back your financial progress is being removed. The spirit of lack, limitation, and scarcity is no longer part of your life. You are now free from any financial blockages. You will never struggle to meet your needs again. The wisdom to manage money well is flowing to you, and you will walk in prosperity with confidence and ease. I affirm that wealth and riches will dwell in your home. Money will no longer be a source of stress for you. Instead of worrying about finances, you will have more than enough. You will lend to others and never find yourself in lack. Financial abundance is now your reality. Every closed door of financial opportunity is opening now. Any delayed business deal, job promotion, or payment that belongs to you is being released. The energy of financial stagnation is gone forever, and you are stepping into rapid growth and wealth accumulation. You will have multiple streams of income. The universe will bring you creative ideas that generate lasting wealth. You will receive inspired guidance leading you to financial breakthroughs. The road ahead is clear, filled with prosperity, expansion, and boundless success. Step into this energy and receive it fully. Your financial breakthrough is already unfolding. Unstoppable financial growth and success are yours. Every business you start will thrive, and every investment you make will bring great returns. You are stepping into a season of financial overflow, where abundance flows effortlessly into your life. Your money will not be wasted, and unexpected expenses will not drain your finances. Any financial loss you have experienced is being reversed, and stability is now yours. Your finances are fully protected. Wealth will remain in your hands, untouched by negative forces. You will always have more than enough to meet your needs and bless others. The flow of prosperity is now working in your favor, ensuring that abundance follows you wherever you go. Your financial journey will never remain stagnant. You will not be stuck in the same position year after year. Instead, you will experience continuous growth. Month after month, your income will rise. Each year, you will advance to greater financial heights. Your financial level is changing permanently, setting you on a path of lasting prosperity. Unexpected financial blessings are coming your way. Money will flow to you from sources you never imagined. Refunds, bonuses, gifts, and deposits will find you. Strangers will bless you, and unexpected opportunities will appear before you. Contracts, partnerships, and financial rewards will come effortlessly into your hands. The universe is aligning in your favor, bringing financial freedom and stress-free wealth. You will no longer lose sleep over money matters. The days of worrying about finances, stressing over bills, or feeling uncertain about the future are over. Instead of struggling, you will experience a life of ease and financial comfort. Wealth will flow to you naturally, without force or resistance. The universe is aligning to bring stability, security, and an overflow of resources into your life. Every effort you have made, every sacrifice, and every sleepless night spent working toward your goals will now bear fruit. The seeds of dedication you planted are growing into financial stability, and you will finally reap the rewards of your hard work. From now on, your finances will remain stable, your resources will be secure, and you will have peace of mind knowing that money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool for prosperity. Your hands are blessed for financial breakthroughs. Everything you touch will prosper beyond expectations. Whether it's a new business, a creative project, or an investment, success will follow you. Doors of opportunity will open in ways you never imagined. Favor will surround you wherever you go, ensuring that financial opportunities flow effortlessly into your life. You will no longer experience lack or struggle. Money will always be available when you need it, and you will never be in a position of financial hardship again. Your storehouse will always be full. Your bank accounts will overflow. Your home will never lack provisions, and you will always have enough to provide for yourself and your loved ones. Instead of wondering where the next paycheck will come from, you will live in the assurance that wealth is constantly replenishing itself in your life. Financial abundance will not be a temporary phase, but a permanent reality. You are being granted divine wisdom to navigate wealth successfully. Every decision you make from now on will be aligned with prosperity. The universe is guiding you toward the right opportunities, the best investments, and the most profitable ventures. You will have a sharp financial mind, making choices that bring continuous growth and stability. You will never experience devastating financial mistakes, and losses will be a thing of the past. As you step into this new phase of abundance, prosperity will become your way of life. You will be a magnet for wealth, effortlessly attracting resources and financial blessings. Success is no longer a dream. It is your new reality. Get ready for an era of financial transformation where stability, security, and abundance follow you wherever you go. The best part? This is only the beginning. Your wealth will extend beyond you. It will become generational. The prosperity flowing into your life will not end with you, but will continue for your children and future generations. You are building a lasting financial legacy, and your name will be associated with honor, stability, and abundance. You will never labor in vain. Everything you work on will bring you great financial rewards. The seeds you plant today will grow into a lifetime of wealth and success. Step into this energy, embrace the abundance coming your way, and welcome the limitless prosperity that is now yours. Your financial breakthrough has already begun. This is your season of financial abundance. No more wasted efforts, no more working tirelessly without results. From today, everything you do will be fruitful and prosperous. Your finances are stepping into a phase of rapid acceleration, where abundance flows freely into your life. Every financial breakthrough that has been blocked is now being released. Every delay is lifting, and every hindrance is being removed. The energy of wealth is working in your favor, bringing financial blessings into your life at an unstoppable pace. This is your time to rise financially. Every limitation, every obstacle, and every setback that once held you back is now being removed. The doors of abundance are opening wide before you, and nothing will stand in the way of your prosperity. A powerful shift is taking place in your financial life, and from this moment forward, you will experience wealth, stability, and success in ways you never imagined. Financial joy is now yours. No longer will you struggle or feel burdened by financial concerns. Money will flow to you effortlessly, arriving in unexpected ways and from multiple sources. The universe is aligning everything in your favor, ensuring that you always have more than enough. Every need will be met with ease, and your resources will continue to multiply. You will no longer live in a cycle of lack and uncertainty. Your new reality is one of ease, comfort, and financial growth. Opportunities will find their way into your hands without struggle. Every business idea you have will attract the right partners, clients, and investors. Every effort you put in will yield great returns. Doors that were once closed will suddenly open, and you will walk confidently into a life of prosperity. What once seemed impossible will now become effortless. You will no longer chase success. It will come to you naturally as a reward for your hard work, patience, and resilience. You will celebrate abundance. You will look around and see the evidence of wealth manifesting in every area of your life. Your bank account will flourish. Your investments will yield great returns, and financial freedom will be your new normal. No longer will you worry about making ends meet. Instead, you will enjoy the peace that comes with knowing your financial future is secure. The days of financial struggle are over. The weight of debt, uncertainty, and hardship is being lifted from your life. You are now stepping into a season of continuous overflow, where every need is met and every dream is within reach. The burden of financial stress is replaced with confidence, knowing that wealth is flowing to you in limitless ways. Your name will be spoken in places of influence. You will be recognized and valued for your talents, skills, and hard work. You will find yourself in rooms filled with successful, wealthy individuals who see your potential and open doors of opportunity for you. The right people will seek you out, offering you positions, deals, and partnerships that will elevate your financial status. You will no longer be hidden. You will be positioned where wealth circulates, and success will be drawn to you like a magnet. Favor will single you out for financial promotions and breakthroughs. Even in situations where others struggle, you will thrive. You will be chosen, uplifted, and rewarded in ways that defy logic. Whether in business, investments, or career advancements, prosperity will chase after you. You will never be overlooked again. Your hard work, patience, and persistence will finally be recognized, and the rewards will be greater than you ever expected. Your skills, talents, and dedication will bring you financial success beyond your imagination. Every effort you put in will produce incredible results. No more wasted time, no more laboring without rewards. From today, everything you do will bear fruit. You will see the proof of your prosperity in your growing wealth, successful ventures, and endless financial opportunities. Your season of financial hardship has ended. A downpour of abundance is now falling upon your life. Wealth will grow in your hands effortlessly, and financial stability will be your constant companion. Everything connected to your finances is now overflowing with prosperity. Step into this energy of abundance. Claim it. Receive it. Your financial breakthrough is already happening.